I want to ask you a question. Are there any areas in your life that you wish to improve? That's a silly question because of course there are. Every single one of us have different areas in our life that we wish we were maybe heading down a different path, that we wish we were showing up a little differently. I want you to know that things can change, right? If you need to show up differently in your marriage, if you need to show up differently as a parent, maybe in the workplace and maybe spiritually or physically, you need to begin to take care of your body, whatever it may be, things can change. And I want you to understand that sometimes we're not aware of the things that do need to change, right? Sometimes we're not aware until certain things come that are disastrous because we've neglected certain areas of our life that we should not have been neglecting. There's so much distraction in today's world, right? That sometimes, we want to maybe be doing things differently in an area of our life, but we just don't. We get distracted. And I'm here to tell you with this transformational workshop, things can begin to change in your life. I really, really want you to understand that. And I want you to understand as well, if you are a business owner, to bring something like this to your employees is tremendous. I've been in the real estate business for 18 plus years. I've taught different classes. I've been a part of a lot of classes. I've been to motivational speeches, seminars, and they're great. And you always get nuggets out of them. But often what happens is the focus is on what? It's on the business. And that person could be sitting there, trying to get nuggets for his business when his marriage is falling apart. That person could be sitting there, she could be getting nuggets maybe on how to improve her production in the workplace, but it's very hard to translate that over when maybe something's going on with her as a mom, as a parent. She's not living the life that she wants to live, right? So I want you to understand that this transformational workshop is different. We're going to make sure that we address the important areas of every single person's life, to go through where they walk in and they find a vision for the most important areas of their life. They gain clarity, which gives them power to be able to live the life that they want to live. They're going to walk away with tools. It's not going to be a little thing where they just take occasionally some notes. Every single one, whether you're an individual or in a large group, is going to walk away with your own individual plan of how to succeed in the most important areas of your life, to begin to head down a new path, because regret is so much heavier of a burden than making the effort to change, right? And with change and with momentum, you gain more power. And you can begin to turn your life around, and you can begin to turn your life around for the people that matter most for you. So I want you to think about this. Think about this transformational workshop. I offer a free 30-minute call. If you have any more questions, which I'm sure you do, just schedule a call with me and we'll discuss it more. But I want you to understand that this transformational workshop is powerful. It can change the life of you, and it can change the life of those around you. So please reach out to me, and let's see how I could bring this transformational workshop to you.